Hey everyone, it's Ali here. How's it going? So we are back here. I'm right in the middle of town where there is a parade going on. Now this parade is called the Niti Daun. So this celebrates all the communities throughout Sarawak, all the native in fact. I believe there are about 100 contingents, plus there are going to be about 3 to 4,000 individuals participating. The streets has been closed down for this particular event. It's midday and it's going to last about a couple of hours, I believe, until 5 or even to 6 in the evening. So it's going to be pretty hot. So I'm pretty well prepared with the sunblock and my hat, everything, and we're going to celebrate together with them. I'm going to document plus photograph some of these things going on, because I think this is something very special from where I'm living. This is my home and I'm glad to be sharing this with you guys. Hopefully you find this interesting and you can have a look for yourself. So let's go take a look, because they are already getting ready for the parade to begin. Alright, so I'm in the middle of the road approaching all the groups. They're all in preparation right now. It's really hot today. The sun's really tough today. Wow, this is incredible. Look at all the clothes, the tattoos, the ornaments. This is nuts. I love it. I mean, this is where I live. All these unique cultures. So this is the beginning, this is the starting grid right here, and the convoy is all right behind all the way. We're going to try to shoot whatever we can, but wow, it's really hot. Alright, we're just going to try our best. We're just going to try our best, get all the shots. After all, they all come here to make for the parade. Respect to them, serious respect. I don't think I can do this. Alright, cool folks, they are about to leave. We're going to start soon. Let's follow the crowd. 3. This is crazy, just look at the crowd. It's just like a party again in the middle of the day. Wow, this is nuts. Woo. This is insane. We just got through the first few of the floats and there's still a long way to go. This is crazy. Everyone's like filming from the balconies everywhere. What a celebration. We need more, we need larger. While waiting for the next row of contingents coming up, oh, it's so hot now. At least it cooled down a little bit. I'm under a tree. It's pretty fun to actually see a whole bunch of fellow photographers as well. Actually have an interesting conversation while waiting for others to come. Alright, there's another group coming over there. I mean, I have so much respect for these guys. I mean, under the hot sun, they're just pushing the carts, and each contingent is escorted by security personnel. Incredible. I'm so proud. I'm so proud about Sarawak, really. Look at that. Push, push, push. That's insane. I mean, if this is capturing culture, this is one at its peak. I'm trembling right now. I'm so exhausted. I'm coming again. Okay, jalan. I mean, just look at all the clothes, the detail. It's so beautiful. Never change, Sarawak, never change. This is what we love. Alright, I've run towards the end of the convoy here and they are now all gathering for photos, everything. So, look at the crowd behind me. There's the Darul Hanai on the other side. Absolutely insane. This is nuts. I mean, this is all without the people who organize, the authorities, the enforcers, the police, the ambulance, Red Crescent. Now this will be possible. I love it. I mean, look at the crowd. This is ridiculous. Oops. Woo! What do they have here? Oh! I mean, look at this whole row of the VIP motorcade. Mercedes, Volvos, crazy. This is nuts. And that's it. Basically, it's running at the end. It's basically a party on the other side. It's almost raining as we see. I think I'm confident in saying that Sarawak culture is very underrated. I mean, if you really have a heart for this kind of thing, come to Sarawak. These things happen, well, this parade happens only once a year, so it's very rare. And it's also an opportunity as well for incredible content and photos. This is a must if you have never been to Sarawak before. I mean, the island of Borneo is a proud place to be. I'm proud to live here, that's for sure.